It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This video series is all about making the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. Yeah. We're here. We made it. You made it to the last step to complete your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers 1995 movie cosplay. I'm so excited about this build. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Now I want to get you to the final stage of your cosplay looking good. In this final tutorial of the video series, I'm going to be showing you how I painted my cosplay, and I painted it in 3 steps. You need Mod Podge, the paint of your color Ranger, and some gold paint for the power coin. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's get this paint job done. Alright, I'm going to show you the paint process using this thigh armor piece. I'm going to show you every step from start to finish using this piece. Then I'll speed it up and you will see the final result of all the pieces being painted. I'm going to start by doing 2 coats of Mod Podge, maybe 3, depending on how smooth I can get it. So just use your best judgment, 2 coats or 3 coats. Before you do your Mod Podge, take your heat gun and seal your foam. I like to use foam brushes because they don't leave streaks. So I'm going to start by putting my first coat of Mod Podge. Now let this first coat dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, then apply coat number 2. Don't forget to get your edges as well. I'm making sure I put a coat of Mod Podge along all the edges. It's been 15 or 20 minutes. Now I'm going to apply coat 2 of Mod Podge. After your coats of Mod Podge, either you did 2 coats or 3 coats, depending on how good coverage you got. After your coats of Mod Podge, it's time to paint. So now I'm going to use acrylic black paint. So I'm just using acrylic black paint, and I'm going to put 2 coats of acrylic black. Now I'm doing coat number 2 of black. And to finish my paint job, I'm going to do a coat of black gloss spray paint. And after it dries, I'm going to do a coat of crystal clear. If you're not able to spray paint, then you can do another coat of black acrylic, followed by a sealer like this, no tack. If you do another coat of black and a sealer, this no tack is matte, but you want to do a no tack or any kind of sealer that has a gloss finish. So I did one coat of black gloss. You can do 2 coats if you need to, but I'm happy with how they look after 1 coat. So these are some of my finished pieces. I have the thigh piece, the shoulder piece, and the bicep armor. Next, I'm working on the diamond and power coin detail on the front of the chest piece. I 3D printed my power coin and painted it gold, and I'm cutting out a space for this to fit in the diamond. I'm using 4mm EVA foam. You can paint your white diamond onto your chest piece, but I wanted to have more of a 3D pop, more of a, I wanted to have more dimension. So I'm gonna glue my diamond and my power coin onto my chest piece, just like this. Next, I'm going to put my diamonds on the back. So the next thing I need to do is create some attachments. For these pieces, I just need to put velcro in the center and velcro here in the center, and they will attach to the fabric of my suit. For my bicep armor, I attached my velcro on the back, and the corresponding velcro is going to attach to my sleeve. So now these are ready to go. And I did the same thing for my shoulder armor. I attached my velcro on the back, and the corresponding velcro is gonna go on my sleeve. For this piece, I need to put velcro at the top and elastic at the bottom so that this easily slides onto my leg and holds into place. And for extra security to hold this down, I'm going to use fixed tape. You can use fixed tape, flex tape, or cos tape. They all do the same thing. Now I have my velcro in place and elastic on the bottom. So now this thigh armor is going to stay on my leg when I put it on. I have some velcro attached to this material that's used to make straps. I don't know why I can't think of the name of this right now, but anyway, it's the type of stuff used to make straps. So I'm going to take my corresponding velcro and I'm going to glue it to the back of my chest piece right here. So this is the front of my chest piece, and on the side, I'm attaching the velcro. And then now at the back, I'm going to glue the strap on like so. And that way I can bring the back to the front and close the chest piece around my side. And once again, I'm using Fix-It flex tape to secure it. Then I repeat on the other side. So now both sides have the strap so I can close it. Next, I'm going to make the closure for my torso piece. And there you have it. Your Mighty Morphin Power Rangers 1995 movie cosplay is complete. Yeah. Thank you for sticking with me while doing this series. I hope it helped a lot, and I hope you learned a lot. And more importantly, I hope your cosplay comes out looking really, really nice. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed this series, make sure you hit that like button. Give me that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. I know I'm excited to wear my suit. I can't wait to wear it to a con and do an official photo shoot. For the shoulder armor and the bicep armor, I have Velcro on the inside and Velcro on the arm, on the sleeve, so I can easily attach these pieces. I did the same thing for the thigh armor. There is Velcro on the side of the leg. The torso and the belt has Velcro, just Velcro in the back. And the chest piece has a strap with Velcro attached to it, so you can Velcro the chest piece on the side. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. And to all my Rangers out there, it's Morphin Time! Mastodon!